Pleasant morning, dear children. You had learnt about what is honey used for and where do bees collect the nectar from and what does honey contain? What does honey contain? Now we will move to second session of the lesson. How do bees make honey? This is the second session of the lesson. How do bees make honey? Here, children, observe. Put your finger on the line while that line is moving. To prepare for long-term storage, the bees fan their wings to evaporate and thicken the honey. Here they given the notes to you. Nectar has 80% of water and honey has only about 14 to 18% water. When this is done, the bees cap the honeycomb with wax and move on to the next empty comb. So, in a nutshell, the honey we eat is nectar that honey bees have collected, regurgitated, and dehydrate to enhance its nutritional properties. Here in the next paragraph, honey bees are divided as house bees and field bees. The house bees keep the house clean and well ventilated. They build new combs to store honey. Field bees are older bees. They go away from the house. Their job is to search for nectar. Here, honeybee do not live long. At the time of honey gathering season, they work very hard. As a result, a honeybee does not live longer than a month. Around 2000 bees die every day in a honey making hive. The queen bee lays eggs and she maintains the population of the hive. Okay, children? Now let us study about the theme of the lesson. Here, first paragraph. Before that, you learnt about how does honeybees collect the nectar from their tube-like tongues and gather the nectar from the different flowers, like that. Then here, to prepare for long-term storage, the bees fan their wings to evaporate and thicken the honey, because in the nectar, children, in the nectar has 80% of water. Already you know that is a fluid. In that fluid, 80% of water. But in the honey has only about 14 to 18% of water. Got it, children? When this is done, bees cap the honeycomb. They cap the honeycomb. If it is they doesn't cap the honeycomb, that will pour down. ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಹಾಗೆ ಸುರಿದೋಗುತ್ತೆ. Because of the gravity power of the earth, that will pour down. You know the principle of the any liquid forms, either the water, either oil, other things. If we put on the top place, that will pour down. ಮೇಲೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ವಸ್ತುವನ್ನು ದ್ರವರೂಪದ ವಸ್ತುವನ್ನು ಇಟ್ಟಾಗ ಅದು ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಬೀಳುತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಗೊತ್ತಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಗ್ರಾವಿಟಿ ಪವರ್. ಲೈಕ್ ವೈಸ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ದ ಹನಿ ಆಲ್ಸೋ, ಇಫ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ದ ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ ಟು ದ ಕೂಮ್, ಅದನ್ನು ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಲ್ಲ, ವ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಅದೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಹಾಗೆ ಕೆಳಗಡೆಗೆ ಸೋರು ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ದಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಪೋರ್ ಡೌನ್, ಅದು ಹಾಗೆ ಸೋರು ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಫಾರ್ ದಟ್ ಹೌ ದ ಬೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ವೆರಿ ವೈಸ್. Look at here, that is the nature. How they build the beehive in the hexagonal shape. That is also the wiseness of the bees. Okay, they cap the honeycomb with the wax. They prepare the wax themselves and they move on to the next empty comb. So, in a nutshell, here observe, nutshell means it is a phrase. In a nutshell. In a nutshell is a phrase. Nudigattu. In Kannada, nudigattu. We used phrase. In a nutshell means sum it up by saying. ನಾವು ಒಂದು ವಿಚಾರವನ್ನು ಹೇಳಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಇನ್ ಎ ನಟ್ಶೆಲ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಇಫ್ ಯು ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಸೇ ದ ಲಾಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟೋರಿ, ವಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಎ ಇನ್ ಎ ನಟ್ಶೆಲ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ಎ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್. We use it in a small number of words. What is the theme of that? For that, we use it in a nutshell. In a nutshell is the phrase. The honey we eat is nectar that honeybees have collected. That is a nectar. How the honeybees collected. And regurgitated, that is very important. Regurgitated means, children, bring food. Bring food that you have already swallowed back into your mouth. For example, cows and some other birds and animals also do like this, and to cough up from the gut to feed its young. As a bird or an animal, they does these things of regurgitate means ಅವು ಮತ್ತೆ ಸ್ವ್ಯಾಲೋ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿರ್ತವೆ. ಆ ಸ್ವ್ಯಾಲೋ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದನ್ನು they bring up to the mouth. That is called regurgitated. Already they swallowed. How the bees swallowed the nectar into their honey sac, that is honey stomach, either the honey sac. They regurgitated just like a vomiting, not a vomiting, just like a vomiting. They bring the food already they swallowed into the honeycomb. Then dehydrated means hydra means water. Hydrogen, jala means hydra means water. Dehydrate means remove the water from something, anywhere. That is called dehydrated. To enhance means increase or improve. Means here ವರ್ಧಿಸು, ಅದನ್ನು enhance the nutritional properties. Enhance the nutritional properties of the honey. They dehydrate the water. Honey bees are divided as house bees and field bees. They divide as how many kinds of bees are there? Honey bees. They divided into house bees and field bees. For example, in our society also, father is working, mother is doing some work in the home, but not nowadays. Both are the working. Likewise, here also the bees divided as house bees and the field bees. The house bees keep the houses clean and well ventilated, like that. Then they build new combs to store honey. Field bees are the older bees. They go away from the house. Their job is to search for nectar. How do you know, children? What are the works they have divided? The house bees keep the houses clean and well ventilated. They build the honey comb with the proper fresh air and light, like this. That is called well ventilated. They build new combs to store honey. They build the new combs. They prepare the new combs. Field bees are the older bees. They go away from the house. Their job is to search for nectar. They collect the nectar from the different flowers and they come and regurgitate it into the comb. That is the older bees, the work of the older bees. They divide their jobs and their works. Got it? This is also wiseness of the bees. Then honey bees do not live long. That is very important. We have our lifespan is, before that human being lifespan is 100 years. Now we are 60 to 70 years. According to our lifestyle and the food habits, the human being lifespan is 60 to 70 years. But totally or generally we called 100 years. But honeybees do not live long. At the time of honey gathering season, they work very hard. They work in the season honey gathering in that season they work very hard. As a result, a honey bee does not live longer than a month. Longer than a month. Observe, it is 4 weeks. 4 weeks is called a short duration. It is a month. A month. ಕೇವಲ ಒಂದು ತಿಂಗಳು ಮಾತ್ರ ಬದುಕಿರ್ತವೆ. ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಇಟ್. Around 2000 bees die every day in a honey making hive. When they making the honey, the around 2000 bees die. They will die every day. The queen bees lays eggs. Lay ಅಂದರೆ ಇಡೋದು, ಮೊಟ್ಟೆಗಳನ್ನು ಇಡುವುದು. To put or keep or place. The queen bee put the eggs or they keep the eggs or place the eggs. ಮೊಟ್ಟೆಗಳನ್ನು ಇಡ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ಕ್ವೀನ್ ಬೀಸ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಶಿ ಮೇಂಟೈನ್ಸ್ ದ ಪಾಪ್ಯುಲೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ hive. That is the work, how they are working. Here queen bees and house bees and the field bees, they are doing their jobs very promptly, very honestly. So, and their lifespan is very just within a month. They live within a month. Although they give the wonderful and very sweetest honey, they will provide to us. Means that they prepared the honey for themselves, not for us. But the human is a very greedy. So for that he used the honey for himself. Got it? The honeybees prepared the honey for themselves. So sometimes they eat the honey. They eat the honey themselves. But the greedy man collect the honey from the honey hive. Here, what are the words? Observe some different difficult words are here. Fan means make air move around. Fan means some words are there. Evaporate. Evaporate means turn from liquid to vapor. That is turn from liquid to vapor. That is called evaporate. Honeycomb, a block of wax full of six-sided holes in which bees store honey. That is called honeycomb. Hexagonal means having a 6 sides. Hexagonal. ಷಟ್ಕೋನ. In Kannada, ಷಟ್ಕೋನ. Shat means 6. Having 6 sides. That is called hexagonal. Observe the structure of the beehive. All the small combs, they have the hexagonal shape. Anybody taught to them? No, but no one teach to them. ಯಾರು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಕೇಳ್ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ. Although they make in the structure of hexagonal. Wax, smooth substance made by bees to seal the honey filled cells. When they filled the honey, that cell will be sealed. That will be sealed. Regurgitate. Regurgitate means bring food that you have already swallowed back into your mouth. Sometimes they are called cows and other animals. They are swallowed the food very fastly when they are grazing. When they are grazing, then we return to the cow shed. They regurgitate the food from the stomach and again they chew it again. That is called regurgitate. Like that, here the bees regurgitate the nectar into the honeycombs. That is called regurgitate. Dehydrate means remove the water from the something. That is called dehydrate. Hydra means water. Remove the water from something. Ventilate means admit fresh air. Admit fresh air. That is called well ventilated. Got it, children? Here some pictures are here. Yes. What is this? This is honey bee. Then yes, here they fill the honey into the combs. This is the honey. The bee fill the honey into the comb. Next is fanning. Observe there. Fanning. Why they are fanning? To dehydrate when they bring the nectar that has 80% of water. When they dehydrate, that will turn into the honey. The honey has 14 to 18% of water. Got it? For this they are fanning. we use it with their wings, the fanning, how they are work. Observe, for this hard work, their lifespan is only the 4 to 5 weeks. Observe, 4 to 5 weeks means a month. Got it? Here also, these are the how the bees fill the honey into the comb. They prepare the honey. Got it, children? Then here, thank you. Thanks for watching.